What kind of system is in there?
It's airlift.
Is an airlift?
Yeah.
It's an 09?
Where's Da Vinci?
How was this? Like putting
Did that this winter.
Did you? Yeah.
I was the first one to get this kit out of Russia.
Yeah.
It's actually a sponsorship.
Now those rims, did they come with that also? Or you put some like spacers on that?
No, they're just on there.
Really?
13 inches wide in the rear and 12 in the front.
Oh.
Stuck with me for life now.
I love the rims. The rims are amazing.
Oh, thanks. Custom order from BC Forge.
Just the dish on them, man.
Yeah.
They're clean.
Oh,
325.
325
Yeah.
in there.
22 by 13.
What kind of system is in there?
It's airlift.
Is an airlift?
Yeah.
It's an 09?
Fuck yeah.
Timeless. How much work would you say you put into this, like, money-wise?
I don't even know. Like, I don't keep track.
No, you just keep building
It's
it?
been over 10 years. I bought it in 2012.
2012? Yeah, okay.
It was my daily for 4 years.
Yeah.
And just started modding it.
It sounds like quite the journey. Like that.
Yeah.
Can you tell me about the doors? Like, I've never seen those kind of doors before.
I did those 2 winters ago.
Okay.
So it's like full custom, right? Like
Full custom.
yeah, it's not like Lambo doors.
You can't order it, right?
No. It's like the Lambo doors you buy a kit, right?
Yeah.
You slap them on your doors over.
Yeah, the doors, see, right? So, like, I guess you hinged at one side and... what'd you do?
You gotta take the back comes, like, you gotta cut the whole back out on the inside, build a frame structure to hold the hinges.
Yeah.
And then you gotta take the door apart, build a structure inside the door, because the doors are so big, right?
Right.
So you gotta hold all the weight. And then you gotta, like, we switched around all the mechanisms and everything. The handles still function, all the electronics still function.
Yeah.
Extended all the wiring, repainted it all, fabbed up new door jams and everything for
Really?
it. So yeah.
Wow, what's the future for this baby?
Motor swap.
Motor swap?
Yeah,
What do
it's a
you think? 426, you think?
I'm trying to find a Viper motor.
I think there's one over there. You could probably Viper motor. You
Yeah.
want to go Viper, eh? V10.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just something that doesn't come stock in it, right?
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
either
that's
that or
fair.
I'm gonna twin turbo it.